How to use gift card on Etsy. Hi guys, in this video you would learn how you can use gift card on Etsy. So let's go right into it. The first step is to sign in to Etsy.com. This is how Etsy.com looks like. On this page, you will take it to the home page automatically. So this is the purchases page. Now, once you're on the home page, you will see different products that you can get. And then by the top right side of the screen, you will see icons like favorite, updates, shop manager, your account, and cart. And then you'll see activate categories. Then the next step is to scroll down until you can see the option gift card. Now the option gift card is usually located under shop. All right, so once you see it that way, just click on it. Now once you click on it, you will be brought to the gift cards page. On this page, you have to select redeem. Are you looking to redeem a gift card? So click on redeem a gift card. It's located below give the gift of gift cards. And then once you've selected redeem a gift card, you will be brought on that page. On this page, you'll see the option redeem your gift card. And the next step is to tap on the enter code box and then enter the 16 character code on your gift card. All right, once you enter it in, click on apply now, and then just like that, that particular gift card will be added on your Etsy account. So this is how you can use gift card on Etsy.com. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.